Hey everyone, in today's video, let's find you some savings. Looking to snag a NameCheap promo code for your next domain or hosting purchase? Awesome, it's easier than you might think. So first things first, its obvious place to look well is NameCheap themselves. Let's head over to NameCheap.com. So we are in the homepage of NameCheap. Scroll down. So over here you can see banners and announcements showcasing current deals and promo codes. Here's a promo where you can get 30% off on the domain transfer, COM. So this is the promo. And under domains, you can see a discount for the domains. You can also get a promo code for the domain parts. And here WordPress, hosting, security, and apps. So under each topic, you can find the promo code on the given topic. And this is the one way that you can get a promo code on NameCheap.com. So don't forget to check the deals or promotion page. Usually linked to the navigation menu. This page are the gold mines for the discounts. Another sneaky trick, browser extension. Install a reputable browser extension that automatically finds and applies the coupon codes. Just search for coupon extension in your browser extension store. You will find a bunch. Let's find it one. I'm going to use it. You can use this extension too. To add it to your browser, simply tap on Get. It will be downloaded and you can simply add it. So it's already added to the Edge add-ons. And here's a bonus tip. There's a website called NameCheap Coupons and Promo Code. Tap on it, and over here you can find the coupon or a promo code that helps you save a lot. Finally, don't underestimate social media and online platforms. Follow NameCheap on platforms like Twitter or Facebook. They often share exclusive deals there. Plus, tech forums and communities can be a great place where users share discovered promo codes. So there you have it, a simple ways to hunt down those NameCheap promo codes. Let me know in the comments best deal you have ever found on NameCheap. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and happy saving.